Okay, so we have our dense cloud here. What we need to do is build a mesh. And so it's as easy as going to oops, I'm in the wrong program. Workflow, build mesh. And from here, we'll see a number of choices that we can make. The face count, you see how many faces this is going to wind up having, 3 million plus. We could bring this down. I'm going to say in the first pass, go ahead and just leave it at high. Later on, we'll make it smaller so that we can have less and a smaller file size, but it's always nice to have that one really good model built and then just make it smaller for various purposes. But then you always have that really good model made. So I'm just going to hit OK and then stop my, I'll come back when my mesh is built. All right, so here we are about 15 minutes later. And of course, I don't see the results because we have to go up into the view here and decide what we want to see. So there's actually a bunch of ways we can look at the mesh. So by default, it'll show you this model shaded one where we see the colors and everything of this. And so you see the difference between the point cloud and the mesh. Right, the mesh has faces that are put together, although there's a lot of points, so we still render the thing. Besides that, we can see it without the shading, without the colors on it, and inspect it. We can also see just the wireframe, which there's so many we'd have to really get in there, right? So we could see those individual triangles that are making up the mesh, and there's a ton, because if you look over here at how many faces we have, 3 million, quite a lot, okay? So yeah, I'm going to stop this video and do the next step in the process.